Hey everybody, how's it going? Thanks for tuning back in to Manny Scale Modeling, and I'm feeling a lot better. Been out working, mowing and stuff, and just been going pretty good. So getting back to the bench here a little bit more, especially when I have time. Gonna be doing Molly Orange, House of Color Molly Orange on the Demon, using the Swallowtail with the fan cap. Can't wait to try that out. And also shout out to Craig's Corner. He's got his shop cards in. I've had this for a while and just finally being able to get to it, but thanks Craig. Love your channel, and thank you for the card. I'll be putting that up on the wall too with the other ones. Awesome. Remember building that one, and remember building that one, so very cool. Thanks Craig. And gonna also be doing the winner for the GHAD 39 airbrush by Gaahleri, and this is a sealed one, so we'll be doing a comment picker on that. And let's see, just so you know what that looks like, it's this one. Awesome airbrush. This is my pretty much almost everyday airbrush, but so I'm gonna get the paint mixed up on the Typhoon paint mixer over there, and we're gonna paint this body with the Swallowtail with the fan cap. So stick around and be right back. Hey everybody, welcome back, and we are going to spray the Demon, the House of Color Molly Orange, oops sorry, hit the camera, with, and doing a review on this fan cap. So mask on. Oh, darn it. Okay, the fan's on, so we'll see how this does. Sorry guys, I keep hitting the camera stand. Oh, it sprays really nice though, the fan cap. Can't wait to do a side panel or something here. Yeah, that sprays nice. Alright, now here's the test. We'll see how it sprays evenly here. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, that's nice. And it's not giving the barbell effect either. If you paint cars and airbrush, you know what I'm talking about with the barbell effect. Nice and even lines, or nice and even spray, I mean, sorry. Oh, there, oh yeah, really nice. Hair right there. There we go. Alright, second coat. That spray is really nice, guys. Alright, we're just going to fast forward the rest of this, and I'll get a third coat on after this, and we'll do the comment picker for the winner for the GHAD 39. So be right back, guys. Okay, guys, we are just about finished. We're going to do the giveaway for the Gaahleri GHAD 39 airbrush. Going to announce the winner here with the comment picker. And I just wanted to say that that fan cap for the Swallowtail Gaahleri airbrushes is awesome. It doesn't do the barbell type of thing, which is usually, I'll see if I can just draw like a quick picture. So you get your, you'll have your spray pattern. It'll be, you know, more up here and more down there, and then some in the middle, where the Gaahleri one is, you know, pretty much like that. You know, it's constant. It's not a big spot up on the top and the bottom. Some other brushes do that, and if you've seen some videos on the Black Widow ones, some of them I've seen do it. Some of them weren't too bad, but the Gaahleri one, to me, is the only one that I've tried, and it's spot on. So, okay, let's do the comment picker. This is the video. Copy link address. Comment picker. And get that in there. Let's see, 9, 12. Get YouTube comments, 40, and start. And we'll see who's going to be the winner. Joe the Model Builder. Congrats, Joe. You won the GHAD 39 airbrush. Send me an email with your address, and I will get this out to you as soon as possible. So thanks, everybody, and good luck on the next one, which will be, sorry, I wasn't prepared, the GHAD 68 airbrush, the pistol grip, and this will be our next giveaway we're going to do, and it's sealed. I'll probably do this one probably next week, or maybe the time I do a next update video on the Demon, which should be probably, I would say, by the weekend or the weekend. So that'll be cool. Hopefully I can get the black bare metal foil on it and a couple other things touched up, whatever, and good to go. So all right, everybody, thanks for watching, and I'll be back.